I'm Adele. We are the group 3 and today our assigned topic is pastry and baking production for a cafe. So the baking tools and equipment needed. The first one is ingredient preparation tools. Digital weighing scale. So its function, it measures ingredient accurately in grams or kilograms. So why is it necessary? It ensures consistency in taste and texture. In baking, exact measurements are critical to avoid product failure. The second one is measuring cups and measuring spoons. So it measures dry and liquid ingredients. So why is it necessary? It maintains correct ingredients ratios for standardized recipes. The third one is mixing bowls, stainless steel or glass. So it holds ingredients for mixing. So why is it necessary? Different sizes allow proper organization and efficient workflow. The fourth one is flow sifter. It removes lumps and aerates dry ingredients. So why is it necessary? It produces smoother batter and lighter texture in cakes and muffins. The last one is rubber spatula. So it scrapes butter from bowls and folds ingredients gentle. So why is it necessary? It prevents waste and ensures proper mixing without overworking the batter.
Mixing equipment, stand mixer, function mixes, creams, and whips ingredient efficiently. Why necessary? Save time and ensure uniform mixing, especially for large batches. Hand mixer. Function. Used for small batches or whipping cream or eggs. Why necessary? Flexible tool for quick mixing tasks. Whisk. Function. Blends and incorporates air into mixture. Why necessary? Essential for light textures in cakes and muffins.
So for the next topic, I'm going to introduce the baking equipments. So first is the convection oven. So what are the function of the convection oven? So this is mainly used for baking products and to evenly using circulating hot air. So why is this necessary? To ensure the consistent baking temperature and uniform browning. For the next one is the oven thermometer. So what are the functions? This is used for checking the actual internal temperature of the product. So why is this necessary? This maintains the accuracy since incorrect temperatures affect texture and doneness. The next one are the cake pans, muffin tins, and cookie sheets. So what are the function of these? These are used to hold the batter or dough during baking. This is necessary to provide correct shape, size, and portion control for sale. And for the last one, the parchment paper or the silicone baking mat. The function of this is to prevent the sticking and promotes even baking. This is necessary to improve the product appearance and reduce waste.
Cooling and finishing tools.
A cooling rack's function is a grade-like metal or silicone tool designed to allow consistent air circulation around every part of baked goods during the cooling process. Unlike placing items directly on a solid countertop or pan, the open structure ensures heat escapes uniformly from top, bottom, and sides. The usage of it is as soon as baked items are removed from the oven, whether it's crisps, whether it's chocolate cookies, fluffy cake layers, or bread or loaves. Any leftovers, transfer them to the cooling rack for cakes baked in pan. Let them cool in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes first, then invert them into the rack to cool completely. This prevents moisture built up at the bottom that leads to soggy texture, helps maintain the structural integrity of baked goods so they don't collapse or misshapen. Offset spatula. The function of it is it's specialized utensils with a long, thin, flat metal blade set at an angle offset from the handle. This design keeps the user's knuckles and hand away from the surface of the food being worked on, allowing for greater control and precision. It comes in various sizes. Smaller ones for detailed work, large ones for covering bigger surfaces. The usage of this is primarily used for decorating cakes and cupcakes. Apply a base layer of frosting to seal in loose crumbs, then add the final smooth layer for a polished look. The angled blade makes it easier to create sharp, clean edge on the cake side at flat, even top. Beyond decorating it, it can be used for gentle fold dried ingredients. Piping bags and tips. The function of these is that piping bags are flexible cone-shaped tools, typically made of plastic, silicones, or fabrics, that works with interchangeable metal or plastic tips to control the flow of and shape of the semi-liquid ingredients. There are hundreds of tips designs available, each creating unique patterns, from simple round dots to intricate roses like stars, shell, leaves, and even lettering. The usage of this is to use fit the desired tip onto the bottom of the bag, then fold the top of the bag to create the collar. Spoon or pipe frosting, royal icing, cake batter, cream cheese, whipped cream, or even savory mixtures like mashed potatoes or cream cheese into the bag. Squeeze the bag firmly and steadily with one hand while guiding the tip with the other to create decorations, pipe swirls or on cupcakes, intricate borders on wedding cakes. Fill donuts or cream puffs, create decorative shapes for cake toppers, or portion batter evenly into cupcake liners for consistent baking.
Okay, right now, we're talking about storage equipment. So, first we have refrigerator. So, refrigerator, it store perishable ingredients and finished products. So, why is it necessary? Because it can maintain food safety and freshness. And second, we have airtight containers. The function of this is to stores dry ingredients and baked goods. Why is it necessary? It can prevent contamination and maintain quality. Cleaning and safety equipment. Apron, hairnet, gloves. Function. Personal protective equipment or PPE. Why necessary? Ensures hygiene and food safety compliance. Dishwashing area or sanitizing solution. Function. Cleans and sanitizes tools and equipment. Why necessary? Prevent cross-contamination and maintains kitchen standards. Fire extinguisher. Function. Used in case of emergency. Why necessary? Ensures workplace safety in a commercial kitchen.
So how these tools supports cafe operation? First, accuracy. Measuring tools and thermometers guarantee consistent product quality. Second, efficiency. Mixers and ovens allow faster production for daily sales. Third, quality control. Proper baking equipment ensures correct texture and appearance. The other one is food safety. Storage and sanitation tools prevent contamination. And also professional presentation. Finishing tools improve product appeal and customer satisfaction. So its conclusion. In a cafe pastry kitchen, the correct tools and equipment are essential to produce high quality cakes, muffins and cookies consistently. Accurate measurement, proper mixing, controlled baking temperatures, and safe food handling ensure that all baked goods meet the cafe standards. And that includes our presentation.